When your TV is making sound, but there is no picture, or the picture is dark, you have a backlight problem, or a backlight driver problem.
Evah Slick, Evah Slick, Evah Slick.
Inside the back of a smart TV or a regular flat screen TV. Yeah, this is the backlight. So when your TV is making sound but there's no picture, you have a backlight problem. I have two backlight here. Yeah, this is two backlight strip I have here. One is longer than one have a bend. Yeah. Every TV have a different kind of backlight. So when your TV is not showing any picture or the picture is dark, yeah, but you're hearing sound, you have a backlight or a backlight driver problem. So to find out what's the problem with your TV, you have to do a troubleshoot. So you have to pull up the TV, go to the back where the backlight is. Yeah, and you check to see which one of the backlight is gone or if all of them is gone. That is how you know the problem of your TV. Alright? Okay, this is where the connection is on this one. As you can see, the minus and the plus. Yeah, most backlight have a different connection. Everyone is of a different connection. Alright, so to get the same backlight from your TV, what's inside of your TV, you have to check the serial number. Yeah, all of the backlight have a serial number on it. You have to check the number and you have to go online to type in the number that is on the backlight to get the same backlight come from your TV. Alright, most of the backlights screwed down, and most of them it's just a clip. This one, as you can see, it's a clip. Hold this one. This one, as you can see, there are some screw hole here. Yeah, this is just the shade for the light. So as you can see, this little yellow thing here in the middle, yeah, that's the light. So most of the time one light will give in problem, one of these bulb giving problem. You can change it or you can disable it to get the rest to work. You know what I mean? But most of the time you have to just change the whole strip, yeah, to get it work again. This is what put light on the screen for you to see all the pictures on the screen. Alright, there's the next thing. There's a tester. There's a tester for testing backlight. Yeah, but I don't have a tester like that. I made my own tester because most of these lights take 29 to 36 volt to light up. So I made my own power supply where I can switch from 20 volt to 40 volt. So if I try 20 volt with it and it don't come on, I keep on carry the voltage up until I reach the maximum. If it don't come on, that means the backlight is out. Alright? People, make note of this. If you have a TV backlight giving problem, remember, if you don't know about it, you don't pull it up because it is difficult to get to the backlight. You know what I mean? You can break the screen. Yeah, you can damage the T-con board. You can do a lot of things, so you have to know about it before you can get to the backlight. It is very difficult to get to the backlight. So if you don't know about it, you don't pull it up. Now I mean to get someone who know about it to check it. Alright. Okay, so this is just the shade for one of the light. Yeah. And this strip come out of a 32-inch TV. Yeah. This one is a 20-inch TV. Alright. So every backlight strip have a number. So to get the right backlight for your TV, you have to work with your serial number on the strip. Alright. As you can see, this TV is on, but you can't see what's going on screen because the backlight is gone. So I'm gonna do a troubleshoot on this TV here, try to find which one of the backlight or if all of the backlight is out, and get it up and running, and then show you what's going on. Alright. Okay, my people, the backlight is changed, and I'm gonna show you now. As you can see, I'm gonna plug it in. Okay. You can see the red light. The red light is off and the TV is on. So without a backlight you can't see this. Alright. So as I was saying, when your TV is not showing any picture, or the picture is there but it is dark, you have a backlight or a backlight driver problem. Alright, when you have a backlight driver problem, the driver from the circuit board is not sending any voltage, any current to the backlight. But if you test and you get in the current from the driver, that means the backlight is gone. Alright, so this is easy and simple, but you have to know about it before you can do so. Alright, so yes, my people, I hate that. I eat a go on pan what I go on. Yes, my people, please remember to like and share and to subscribe to my channel to see the next video coming out. Alright, because I will be uploading more videos about TV. Alright, so thanks for watching. See you all next time.